high school students, welcome to another engaging session of learning about computer system servicing. I am Teacher Joe, your mentor and companion who will guide you to learn more about computer systems and networks. Today, we will be amazed to learn about occupational health policies and safety procedures in repairing and maintaining computer systems because in this journey, safety is our priority. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to: number 1, identify the different occupational health and safety procedures in planning and preparing for configuration of computer systems and networks. Number 2, follow occupational health and safety procedures in planning and preparing for configuration of computer systems and networks. Number 3, value the importance of safety policies and procedures in maintaining and repairing computer networks. But before we proceed to our lesson, have you ever seen a workplace like this in the picture? Can you identify the health and safety hazards that can you see in the picture? Very good observations. It is important to follow health and safety policies and procedures in the workplace.
Now, let us know and discuss what occupational health and safety policies and procedures we must take to prevent safety issues while maintaining and repairing computer systems.
What is OHS? Occupational Health and Safety Policy and Procedure is planned system of working to prevent illness and injury where you work by recognizing and identifying hazards and risks. Health and safety procedure is the responsibility of all persons in the computer and technology industries. For preventive maintenance, it's important to have a systematic schedule. But what is a systematic maintenance schedule? Systematic maintenance schedule are your key to hassle-free and efficient computer use. Let's explore the essentials of computer maintenance. Before you begin, always verify that the equipment is receiving the correct voltage. Safety first. Know the location of emergency equipment like fire extinguishers and first aid kits. Establish an electrostatic discharge or ESD free work area for safety. When working inside the PC, always keep it unplugged. This prevents electrical accidents. Avoid food and drinks in the workspace to prevent spills that can damage parts and equipment. Promptly report unsafe or malfunctioning equipment to the laboratory in charge or teacher. Use personal protective equipment or PPE like goggles, rubber gloves, and anti-static wrist strap as needed. Now, let's have a quiz. Let's see if you remember the safety policies and rules we have learned in this session. Answer the following questions.
Identify the don'ts and don'ts in maintaining and repairing computer system and networks. Are you ready?
Let's start. Did you get it all correctly? Good job, learners! Now that you've learned about the different safety rules for maintaining and fixing computer systems and networks, you should be ready for fixed computers or to fix computer problems safely. Remember, following operational health and safety policies and safety procedures while maintaining computer systems ensures your safety, the safety of others, and the reliable operation of your equipment. For our next topic, prepare yourself to identify tools and equipment used in maintaining and repairing computer systems and networks. Until our next episodes, again, I am Teacher Joe, your teacher in computer system servicing. Thank you for watching and stay safe!